So it's a few days after, and we're literally here at FCP Euro, and we just picked up the oil pump. Because we want everything to be brand new in this engine. Everything. This place is insane. Like, I'm looking at race cars right now. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys. I'm sorry, but I don't know if you guys see that, but that's a full roll cage. Those rims are insane. These look like aero rims to me. And just keep going. Like, this place, this is like a candy shop for me. Our beloved oil pump secured, package secured. Only just missing the pistons, and that just pulled up. That's pretty cool. But here we go. The front door, hold it, don't close it. Look what just came in. That is the pistons. You know where we going. Let's deliver this shit. Let's get it there. I ain't waiting 2 seconds. We ain't waiting 2 seconds. I'm putting my shoes on. Hold on, I gotta put my socks on first. Socks, shoes, let's go. All right, boys, we gotta do this together. Let me see if I can keep doing this bit on here. Hold on. There we go. That's why you go to the gym, boys. Take this shit out the way. Oh, this is like Christmas. Okay. So we got this. Factory inspected, sealed. Okay, hold on. Let's open this up. Just wipe them open. Let's look. Okay, there's our piston rings. Okay, I don't even want to touch them. They're right where they are. But look at those. Oh my God. Wow! Just dropped the piston rings. That nice. But look at those, boys. Oh my God. Who needs a gold chain when you got these? Lord Jesus. Yeah, let's not wait. Let's go. We gotta go. Guys, clearly I wasn't ready to go over there. I was having a day to edit. I'm still editing the other video that I recorded. It's been a while since that video, I'll be honest. But I wanted to make sure the content was going to flow a little bit better, so no excuses. But we're on our way there right now. You guys don't understand how excited I am. It's been almost 5 months. 5 months. And I'm going to start calling it the highest mileage F36 engine rebuild that's about to push like 450, 500 horsepower. Come get me. Anywho, got the pistons, got the oil pump, got everything. There's an FCP Euro box right there. Let's go get it started. So guys, I'm here, but today's not the day I'm gonna be ordering my car. They're pretty busy, like I said last time. But I've got all the pieces in this box. I put everything in there. I just want to show you guys what the oil pump looks like. It's actually a pretty small unit if you ask me. I'm not gonna hold you, because I was watching Vehicle Virals' a video on his 335, and this looks so much bigger on camera. But yeah, this is one of the final pieces that I go into the car. So it's been a few days since I recorded that video, and I have a whole other video recorded from a cruise, and if you want to see it before I post it, Sticks posted it, and we went kind of crazy. I really didn't talk much in that next video I'm about to post, but Sticks got great commentary, so go check him out. And it was just a bunch of the boys. We was on a cruise, and it was a flame popping event. It looked like fucking the 4th of July. But listen, we have a few more things coming in. Kind of squeezed the pockets a little bit to make this happen. But all the parts are not in yet, because I was thinking about the fueling system and then the reliability of the car and etc. But this is just a start. The car should be on the lift with the engine dropped not next Thursday, this Thursday coming up. It's Sunday right now, the 15th. We literally are just waiting, for a spot on the lift. And the reason I went with him was because we're gonna get content there. We're gonna be able to be hands-on. The least that I get from this is a little bit of fake mechanic joy. But
Okay.
guys, keep tuning in. The road to 550 won't be easy, but it's gonna be an enjoyable one. I thought this was gonna be done about 3 months ago, but here we go. Hopefully by the first week of August, I won't be driving my brother's car, because that's what I'm driving right now. I'm driving Acura DX, and it's been tough, you know? But fuck it. Hope you guys are liking the video. So let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys think I should get something else to make the car reliable, because it's also about making the car reliable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Woo!